Hello everybody, Stu Weinstock here from beautiful Miami, Florida. Hope everyone is doing well. And I am going to answer the question this evening from a lot of you that ask, how do I persevere and keep my environment positive doing the ketogenic lifestyle and diet? How do I get away from the naysayers and the negativity? And how do I create an environment that's totally positive and uplifting for me to thrive with my ketogenic lifestyle and diet goals and health goals? And here we're going to talk a little bit about that tonight and how you can kind of create a very happy and healthy and positive environment around you. You know, the keto diet can be a very challenging journey for some of us, especially when faced with negativity and doubts. One of the keys to achieving success is to create a positive environment that supports and encourages your efforts. By surrounding yourself with positive influences and stimuli, you can increase your motivation, boost your energy levels, and maintain a positive mindset. In this video, we will explore some tips for creating a positive environment that will help you reach your health and fitness goals on the keto diet and lifestyle. Number one, the first suggestion I would make is surround yourself with positive people. That's right. The people you surround yourself with can have a significant impact on your success and overall well-being. To create a positive environment for yourself, make sure to surround yourself with people who support your goals and inspire you to be the best version of yourself. Who are your top 5 friends? Are they a positive influence in your life? That's very important. Look for people who are very passionate about keto also, and who can provide you with tips, advice, and support along the way. Join a local keto support group or online community where you can meet like-minded individuals who share your goals and struggles. Join my Keto Recipes group for beginners. We have a nice support group on Facebook, and I invite you to join our group. And the link to join will be underneath this video in my information. A second tip to help you keep a very positive environment around you is to declutter and organize your space. Your physical environment can also affect your mood, productivity, and motivation. To create a positive environment for yourself, start by decluttering and organizing your living and workspace. That's very important. Get rid of anything that no longer serves you or brings you joy, and create space for things that align with your goals. That's very key, everybody. Keep your surroundings organized and clean, and add little touches of inspiration, such as inspirational quotes or pictures that can remind you of your goals. All right, number 3. Stay positive with mindful practices. In addition to creating a positive physical environment, you can also cultivate a positive mindset through mindful practices such as meditation, gratitude, and visualization. Take a few minutes each day to sit in silence. Focus on your breath and let go of negative thoughts and distractions. Practice gratitude by journaling or reflecting on the things that bring you joy and fulfillment. Visualize you're achieving your health and fitness goals and feel that a sense of accomplishment and pride. So visualize the positive accomplishments that you have achieved and also will achieve in the future. Visualization is very, very powerful. Number 4, feed your mind and body with positive energy. Finally, surround yourself with positive stimuli that nourish your mind and body. This includes eating healthy keto-friendly foods, incorporating regular exercise into your routine, and engaging in activities that bring you joy and excitement. Make time for hobbies, reading, listening to music, and spending time in nature. All of these activities can boost your energy, creativity, and overall well-being. So, in conclusion, creating a positive environment is essential for achieving success on the ketogenic lifestyle and diet. By surrounding yourself with positive influences and stimuli, you can increase your motivation, boost your energy levels, and maintain a positive mindset moving forward. Start by surrounding yourself with positive people, decluttering and organizing your space, practicing mindful habits, and feeding your mind and body with positive energy. With a little effort and commitment, you can create a very positive environment that supports and encourages your ketogenic lifestyle and diet. So there you go. Be positive and keep those top 5 people in your life being positive, inspirational people too, that motivate you, inspire you, encourage you. That's very important, especially the 5 top people in your life. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on that subscribe button below my video. I truly would appreciate that. And again, this is Stu Weinstock from beautiful Miami, Florida. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Take good care, everybody. Bye-bye now.